Here's how you can make Jamaican beef patties. I grew up eating Jamaican beef patties and they're the perfect snacks.
Look at that.
But I find not a lot of people make them at home because it does take a lot of work.
This is being sold at a Subway station near you shortly.
So to get started, let's make the pastry.
All-purpose flour, curry powder, turmeric, baking powder, fancy salt, sugar, whisk, butter, milk. If you don't use gloves, man, you get the auntie nails.
Auntie nails.
Okay, kiss more milk. Do not want to overwork this. And now we want to chill it down for 30 minutes while we make our filling.
Let's slice up some Scotch bonnet peppers and make sure you wear gloves.
Oh, then I should wear gloves, yeah. Yeah, my fingernails are effed up now.
Oh, whatever, man. We're brown, bro.
Along with some scallions or green onions. Then in a large pan on high heat, you can add some oil and throw in your ground beef, season with salt, thyme, onion and garlic powder, allspice, paprika, and some garam masala. Once you get a bit of color, add soy sauce, browning, which is a type of molasses, along with your Scotch bonnet peppers, green onions, and a bit of beef stock. And you can also pulse this just a bit so you can get a nice sludgy consistency. Chef Dev is now going to roll out the pastry dough to around this thickness, and then he's going to grate in some cold butter, fold it, and then he's going to roll this out and repeat the same process again until he gets to around this thickness. Then he's going to trace it with a plate, and he's going to brush some of it with some egg wash, spoon in the beef mixture, fold it, crimp it with a fork, and to make it a bit more authentic, we're also going to add a small dot of red food coloring because we know this is going to be spicy. Lastly, we're going to pop this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoy.